Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my very first cider try-on haul. I decided that I would buy things that I thought fell into the category of dark academia or academia but I wanted to try and put together one cohesive outfit. But before I do that, I want to try on all the items separately, and then at the end I'll put it all together and do like a ta-da, here's the outfit. But before I do that, got to open it. So I'm not going to be trying everything on now because I've got to go to work, but I will be unboxing it now. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first item we've got is, it's like one of those sweater vest tops. So I just really liked they had loads of these on Cider, but I liked this one because I liked the pink and brown detail. This is the only item that I've got that actually has pink in it. So it might not be the most cohesive outfit, but I don't really care. I think it'll still look fun anyway. So this is what it looks like. The material's very thick, so that's always good. But yeah, let's try it on. I think I like it. Yeah, I like it. So I've just checked the bag and it looks like my order might have been shipped in more than one order. So I've only got one of the other pieces, so I will have to film the rest of it on another day. But the other item I've got is this skirt. So one of the reasons I got this skirt was that I saw another YouTuber do a cider haul, and this is one of the items that she got, and it looked really good on her, and I don't wear skirts very often, but this seemed like it might be a nice option. It's a little bit short for my liking. I did size up in the hopes that it would be a bit longer, but I'm going to be wearing it with tights anyway, so that doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is the skirt. So let's try this on as well. I really like it. It is a little short at the back, but I don't think it's too bad. Okay, so I've got parcel number 2, but it looks like a nosy neighbour may have gotten to the parcel first because it's open. So hopefully nothing's missing from there, but I guess I'm about to find out. At least there's still stuff in there. Okay, so here's one of the items. This is a turtleneck. It looks like it's a ribbed material. So it's quite lightweight. Feels quite thin, which, you know, is okay because I'm going to be layering it with other stuff. Yeah, so let's try it on. It's quite nice here because it's not too tight on the neck. and the fabric actually feels really nice on. Like I said, I thought it felt thin when I pulled it out of the package, but actually it feels really lovely. So yeah, I'm very impressed. This also gets a thumbs up. So they've given me some stickers. So there we go. They've given me some stickers and this cute little card here, which has given me a discount off my next order, so that's quite nice. Okay, so the next item I got was these socks. So they described them as Christmas socks, but in my opinion, they're fine for all year round. And I thought this fit the Dark Academia theme because of the colour, and you know, moons and stars feels quite, I don't know, you know, fantasy book and all that sort of stuff. Like going to a library. We've got these little metal clips on them to keep them together, so I'm just going to get rid of those so I don't injure myself. So that's one set of socks. And then got the things off. Okay, well, I only see 3 clips, but yeah, those are the other pairs of socks. And, you know, why not? I'll show you those on as well. Then we got the final item, so I can confirm that nothing was stolen, thankfully. Maybe someone took a glance in and was like, not for me. But what I got was a pair of earrings, which I also thought would go with the look. So these are completely different from any other pair of earrings that I own. But I thought they looked like interesting and unique, so see them in the packet there. And I think I might as well just show these to you now because like I'm gonna put the whole outfit together later. So one sec, I will get them put on. And here they are on. So they're nice and lightweight, which is good. Probably a bit of a bigger loop than I'd usually go for. Loop, no, stud thing. Yeah, they're not too heavy. They do look a little bit like they're dragging down on my ear, but they don't feel too bad. I don't know what they'd be like for a whole day, but hopefully they'd be alright. Yes, I was looking at myself. But yeah, this is the earrings. So I guess now it's time to put it all together. Here we go. So this is my completed outfit. I hope you like it. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.